Hey, I'm here to show you how to do your review packet a little bit better. I'm going to show you a little bit more in depth and kind of explain each activity so you're able to complete these review packet pages each day at home successfully. So I'm going to open up our page. So we're going to start on day 3. So day 3 is going to be at the bottom of your packet, all the way at the bottom of the first page. Okay, your first math activity is to show a number in 3 different ways. You're going to pick a 2-digit number and you're going to show it in 3 different ways using 10 frames, tally marks, or in word form. So for example, we posted the number 26. In 26, there are 2 tens. So we have 2 full 10 frames filled up and then 6 in the third 10 frame. Tally marks, you will write out each one and then you'll have 5 in each group and any left over. Then you'll write it in word form, so 26. Make sure to just tap it out the best you can and sound it out. Your second math activity is to complete 2 unused pages in the additional practice page workbook, as well as the regular workbook. Unfortunately, we did not have complete workbooks and additional workbooks for every student, so please just go through the workbooks that you were sent home and pick 4 pages out of them to complete. You can also get onto Dreambox and Ingenuity after as an additional practice. You'll access that by ncedcloud.org. Your reading activity is you're going to read for at least 20 minutes and you can choose a fiction or nonfiction book. Remember, a fiction book, it has a story about someone or something, and a nonfiction book, it is facts. So it tells you things, it tells you information that you don't already know. Then you will complete a reader response journal for the book you read in the composition book or on your response sheets that you printed out or like in the review packet. So it can either be in the composition notebook or in your review packet, whatever you would prefer. Your word work. So it says spell the sounds using cycle 12 words. Ask a sibling, parent, or friend to call out each word for you. Listen carefully to the sounds and spell them one by one. Record your words in your composition book. So remember in cycle 12, these were 2-syllable words. So for example, let's do the word catnip. Our strategy was to clap it out and see how many syllables. Let's clap it. Catnip. There's 2 syllables. So let's start at the first syllable. Okay. Cat. Let's tap it out. Cat. Okay. You would spell cat. Now let's do the next part. Nip. Nip. Okay, catnip, and you'll spell those words. So it's very similar to our partner read and write we used to do at school, where one person would hold the words up and the next person would be writing them. So for example, I would be holding them up and I would be like, hey David, can you spell the word cactus? No? Okay, never mind. He would spell the word cactus and then he would check his work. All right, your next activity is science for plants. So you are going to choose a plant near your home to illustrate. Illustrate means to draw. So you use your 5 senses to learn more about it. So you can go outside. You may even have a plant inside. You can go to a garden around your apartment or outside your home, wherever, and find a plant. You're going to, in your composition book, you can write how tall is it, what color is it, how does it smell, and what stage of life cycle is it? So it could be a beautiful, huge tree, or it could be a really small little plant that has just little sprouts coming out. It could be a flower, it could be a vegetable, but you're gonna record your observations in your composition notebook. Okay, and the last one is specials. You can choose any of these to move around and get your body moving. You can also access, I will send out a link to parents to be able to access our brain breaks on GoNoodle. You guys can make a free account and dance all you want, exercise, get some calm breathing, whatever you need throughout the day. Please let me know if you guys need any help with especially math strategies. I am more than happy to send you guys videos explaining those strategies. But for now, I'll see you guys tomorrow and I'll explain the next day. Love you, bye. How do I stop?